So I'm just gonna show you this right now. This is the radar right now. It doesn't look like anything's happening right now, and that's because oh, hold on. Yeah, but here, this is what I'm gonna show you guys. This right here, this is what I'm concerned about. This orange is a blizzard that is heading towards my hometown of Michigan City, Indiana. And I'm just gonna say this right now. This is probably gonna be one of the most historic blizzards. Well, not most historic, but one of the, because we haven't had a blizzard since March 2019. And AccuWeather right now is even forecasting blizzard conditions. And actually, if I go onto monthly and onto the monthly weather, and if I go onto Thursday night, it's not looking good. It's that's not that, but it's not looking good. It's really yeah, that's concerning. Anyway, back to this. This is what I'm concerned about. This is what I'm most concerned about. This is what I'm concerned about. Not dental implants, really. No, not that. This is what I'm most concerned about. Travel will be extremely difficult and dangerous. That is what I'm concerned about. And with the low, with it being 0 degrees as the low, and minus 34 degrees for the real feel, it's gonna be. We're gonna have to start preparing because this is not looking good, and we're only like probably a day and a half away from it making impact, whatever it's called. So here, like, travel will be extremely difficult and dangerous. And I'm probably gonna get a copyright check, but who cares? Anyway, back to, so this is what I'm not concerned about this pink stuff. This is pink stuff. It's just winter storms and whatnot.